This is news from Family Council. Last week, the pro-lifers in Arkansas unveiled the state's fourth Safe Haven baby box at a fire station in Jonesboro. Arkansas's Safe Haven Act of 2001 lets a woman surrender her newborn baby to law enforcement, medical personnel, and first responders. The law gives women an option besides abortion. Similar laws are on the books in all 50 states. Act 185 of 2019 by Senators Cecile Bledsoe and Representative Rebecca Petty improved Arkansas's Safe Haven law. It lets fire stations install Safe Haven baby boxes where women can anonymously place their newborn. Safe Haven baby boxes installed at fire stations let women surrender a child safely and anonymously using a specialized drop box designed to keep the baby secure while notifying the first responders inside the fire station that the baby is there. Right now, there are at least 62 Safe Haven baby boxes in operation nationwide, including 4 in Arkansas. These Safe Haven baby boxes are amazing pieces of pro-life technology. It's good to see communities like Jonesboro make them available to Arkansans. Family Council, promoting, protecting, and strengthening traditional family values in Arkansas. Visit us online at familycouncil.org.